Hey everyone, Abner Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have these Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops right here. So here's our vinyl Funko Pop figures from the Dragon Ball Z franchise right here for today. So this one is Yamcha and Puar, number 531 right here. And this is Tien Chiaotzu, number 384 right there. So this one right here is Yamcha and Puar, number 531 right here. So this one is the first tandem that we have. So Yamcha is a really OG Dragon Ball Z warrior, and he is always with Puar right here. So they're really a team in a sense. They train together, they fight together. Suffered death by the Saiyan, which was brought upon by Vegeta and Nappa. So as you can see, Yamcha is a classic figure right here. He has a trademark scar on the left cheek right there, and his hair is a signature hair as well, much like with Goku, right? And he's wearing the traditional Dragon Ball Z orange and blue combination right there. So on the back you will see the rest of his hair right there, and there we go. Puar has a cat-like appearance on him. So that's his feet, and this is his actual face right there. That's his eyes and his eyebrows right there. The ears are really pronounced. It's dominantly colored blue. He has a tail right there, the back, with the accent on the tip. So that is Puar right there. So again, this is Yamcha and Puar from the Dragon Ball Z series, number 531 right here. So this is the tandem of Tien and Chiaotzu right here, number 384, still from the Dragon Ball Z saga. So we normally call Tien as Tenshin Han, but for this figure, he is called Tien, and of course Chiaotzu right there. Tien gave it his all. It was really never enough for Nappa because they were really powerful. That's how they met their end at the hands of Saiyan for Chiaotzu right here, because he tried to blow himself to save Tien right here. And of course Tien fought bravely with Nappa, but ultimately he lost in the end. He's famous for his third eye right here. So that is really pronounced on the head. And he's wearing, as you can see, like a traditional Shaolin / martial arts color, which is green and yellow right here, with also the traditional shoes right there, and somewhat showing a bit of a scar on the chest right there. On the side is, here's what it looks like. Those eyebrows are really pronounced, huh? the other side, and on the back right there. This is Chiaotzu right here. So he has a predominantly white face, and that's his hat right there with the red accent on the top. So as you can see, his eyes are almost like Tien right there. So he's wearing somewhat a similar outfit like that of Tien right there. The traditional martial arts clothing right there with the traditional shoes as well. So on the back, so you can see more of the clothing we were talking about earlier right there. So that is Chiaotzu right here. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of these Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop figures right here. So we hope you like our content for today, and thank you for watching our video. So which Funko Pop figures do you have in your collection? Please share with us guys and comment it down below. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.